We suggest trying online neural network-based programs that are suitable for older students and teenagers. There is an artificial intelligence for every talent. Perhaps these tools will become a new way of creating startups. Someone will invent design products or create socially oriented projects, or they will invent a neural network for their own needs. It is important to tell children that algorithms do not solve problems. They only optimize and improve the search for solutions. And creativity and entrepreneurship are just human skills, and they need to be developed. There is different evidence that progress will change the global labor market every 5 to 7 years. And any mastered competencies will have to be adjusted to the new technologies to be able to apply them in their work. Or change their specialization completely. Flexible skills will remain universal. The key skills will be entrepreneurship and the ability to implement their ideas. And most importantly, to find yourself in the world. If you've already tried how Midjourney and Daily's visualization neural networks work, it's time to get to know how the Deep Dream Generator works. Google's robot is sure to appeal to those who love the creativity of the surrealist genre. You can select categories such as landscape or animal imagery, choose from 3 basic styles, and the neural network will mix them to create a single painting. Students at the Leonardo International Art School can use this tool. Studying the work of famous artists such as René Magritte, Salvador Dali and Pablo Picasso. By creating works using a neural network, they come closer to understanding and interpreting the world's famous masterpieces. The millions of images on the website are also great material for them to learn and develop their art skills. Meta has released a tool for animating children's drawings using artificial intelligence. In the loading phase, you have to help the software to separate the figure from the background, to paint the foreground or the background. And once the software has generated the animation, you can select the character's movement pattern. It could be dancing, running or other activity. According to the researchers, they have taught the neural network to recognize the human figure in a drawing, then separate it from the main image, and determine the reference points of the figure to create the animation. Meta hopes that artificial intelligence will soon learn to both recognize children's drawings and understand the world from a human perspective. Scroobly allows you to create your own virtual character and bring it to life on your smartphone screen. To do this, the app uses artificial intelligence models such as Fasimish. You need to draw a character in a future animation and perform movements in front of the camera that you will repeat. The system will coordinate the movements of a person with a cartoon character in seconds and provide a finished result. For this project, the developers used the TensorFlow machine learning library to display 3D animated graphics. Here is an interesting service for students who create projects on the topic of ecology or plants. Infinite Herbarium's own neural network allows you to create plant hybrids and get fantastic new species. All you need to do is upload a photo. The machine will process the picture, analyze the properties of the plant, and show what the hybrid could look like. Interesting fact. In 2021, an exhibition at the Museum of Modern Art in Australia also featured images generated by this software. The next Beatoven service comes in handy for music lovers. Artificial intelligence can create unique music by selecting the mood and theme. After registering on the site, you can create music tracks. Choose the title, timing and genre of the tune. The generated music can be edited. Have you been wanting to talk to a book for a long time? This service, created by Google, will help you. There are 100,000 books in the project's database. Some of them are sure to answer your question. You can ask them in any form as a real person, not as a query to a search engine. The machine has learned to find the answer quote in books by analyzing your query. That's all for now. Interesting discoveries and creative breakthroughs.